Hello dear students, in the last lecture we have seen contents analysis and today we are going to see 1.1 being neighborly, title discussion and icebreakers. So title discussion, in that what we are going to see? We will talk about 1.1's the title being neighborly. Here you could find this particular word neighborly, and here there is no spelling mistake in it. As you can see that it is BORLY, but there is no spelling mistake in that. Let me tell you what kind of analysis or discussion would be done on the word neighborly. So this is the Indian wording, that is, here you would find neighborly, and here you could find out OURLY. See the meaning of it. It is first of all, let me tell you the part of speech of it. Adjective it is, and the meaning of it is characteristic of a good neighbor, especially in being helpful, friendly, or kind. So in short, we can call it is the quality of the neighbor who is being who is being friendly to you. So here the same meaning would be of the word neighborly, but just only spelling can be different. Actually, the word neighborly, NEIGHBORLY, that is the word used at UK. We are not using that spell in India, but that you could find in the country UK. Let me clarify that by giving you further discussion. Here it is. Neighbor comes from the Old English word is given neighbor, and the spelling is NEHGEBUR, meaning near dweller. Dweller means actually dwelling, residence means where we are living. That area is called dwelling, and the dweller means the person who possesses that dwelling is called dweller. So near dweller, that means the person who is living nearby your surrounding or your home, that's called near dweller. The first part neh means and gives us nigh. Its modern replacement near is the comparative form faster, fast, new, and avna, and literally means muana. The second part neighbor would be dweller. So actually you would find the word neighbor from the Old English word, and then you would find that, and as I told you before, you would find out that in UK, not in India, but you would find this spell in the country UK. So I think that much you would understand that we are not going to use this spelling for the title, but we are going to use this title, as the stories also happen not in India but in foreign country. The setting of this topic Setting in a sense, let me tell you, because in drama part you are going to study the same also. Setting or plot, that means where actually the particular story happen, what is the time, what is the season, what kind of surrounding, what kind of atmosphere, everything would be there, is called setting. So the setting is not Indian, but the setting is foreign country, and especially that is the UK, and that's why the spelling is neighbor, that is BOR, not UR. Okay, I think that much discussion is sufficient for the word neighbor. Now let me tell you about the being neighborly, the title. Being neighborly, what that mean? Here there is the particular character who wanted to be friendly with the neighbor of her, and that means she is all the time being helpful, friendly to that neighbor. In what perspective, in what manner? When we'll see that topic, we can easily get that one. So but I think that much a discussion of the title is enough here. Now we are leading further. Let me tell you about icebreaker, the word. Uh, my instruction for you is that you must have your textbook nearby with you. Do take 2 minutes for that, or you can have the pause for this video, but compulsory you must have textbook onwards. Just I give you few seconds for having textbook, or you can pause this video and you can go for textbook and then restart this particular video. I hope that all of you have the textbook, and now go for icebreaker, the word exactly below the title. See that icebreaker is a particular interesting activity, and that could be useful for any segment, for corporate area or governmental area. We are coming for that discussion, but before that, actually what is meant by icebreaker, that we are going to see. Now see, this is the icebreaker, the word, and the part of speech is noun. And what is the meaning of it? A ship designed for breaking a channel through ice. Actually, icebreaker means a particular kind of ship which is specially designed for breaking the channel through ice. You know that in the cold or area or the continents, they have to go through ships. They have to travel from one place to another. Only the one vehicle is there, that ships. But what happen in wintry season or cold season, ice can be found everywhere. I mean, sea water is converted into that ice, and they couldn't find the path or road or way. So who can give them the proper direction, from which direction they should go, how they could have the road or path or channel? Because of such a kind of specially designed ships, what is the role of these ships? They are breaking the ice and creating the path for the commercial or vehicular, means the ships which are carrying on passengers. For them, they are making a road or path in that sea, and that is the main duty of these icebreakers. So icebreakers are the ships which are specially designed for breaking the ice so that they could create the channel or path for all other remnant or traditional ships to travel from connecting from one place to another place. So for that they are useful. I can show you the image as like this. This is the commercial icebreaker ship. What is the duty of that ship? It has to break the ice so that other ships can get the path through that ice. So how can we connect this word icebreaker with our icebreaker activity? Let me tell you that up to now whatever the discussion we have done related these ships, you can get that what is the role of these icebreaker ships, that they have to break the ice, they have to clear the hurdle or barrier, is it, they have to clarify or wash out the problem, what is the confusion at or any hurdle at our path. Similarly, icebreakers activities, these are the activities which are clarifying all the hurdles between the learning process and the student. Student can be anyone, don't consider that only you are the student. There are different sorts of icebreakers activities. For example, classroom icebreakers activities now we are learning through English. Not only that, but at corporate area there are some different experiments and activities they are having. Why? To improve the stamina, the potential, the creativity, quality of their uh, representatives, their officials, and for that all the time they are offering them icebreakers activities. So icebreakers are the activities which are clarifying your doubts and all and leading you towards the new topic. But say that you know that how can we start a new topic as it is, or without having preparation, without having proper mindset? No. See, first of all, have I let you can take the example of our learning. Have I taught you the topic directly? No. First of all, first chapter I had, first video lecture of mine was for the guidance and all. So that was icebreakers for that. Secondly, we went for contents and all. Before the secondly we had done activity sheet format discussion, then we came on contents, and today we actually open this topic. So what is that? These are the icebreakers activities. Do not feel that icebreakers activities are only for classroom. They can be considered at any domain means field. So do remember that. So actually icebreakers means the ships which are specially designed to clarify the ice hurdle, and so that they can create the channel or path for other commercial ships who are who wanted to travel from that place. So that is icebreaker. Now we will see what is the meaning of icebreakers in your textbook. In what manner these activities are important. Let me read that for you and just listen that properly. An icebreaker can be an exercise or game that's meant to introduce people to each other in a fun, relaxed way. You know, the first day of school when you are asked to share your favorite stuffed animal, that's an icebreaker. So, before going to start any new thing, we are having some preparation or planning or any activity or a fun game that is called icebreaker. What are the examples of icebreakers? See, here are some examples of icebreakers for these situations. Ask your companion who they would have dinner with if they could have dinner with anyone in the world. Many times you are asking, no, let me give you one example. Slam book, in that you have collected all the info, what is your favorite food, what is your favorite destination to go, which is your favorite actor or actress. So these are what icebreakers, because you wanted to have the communication with the next person, you wanted to know about that person. So before starting any new topic, what is in that, to know that how can you go for the new topic by launching these icebreakers. So here you can ask which are the examples of icebreakers. You can ask that person with whom, if you get the chance, with whom you wanted to go with, go for dinner that first, or ask what books your conversation partner would take with him to a desert island. Suppose that person has to go for island, a lonely island or isolated island, which book he wanted to or she wanted to carry with them. So that could be also icebreaker activity. Or you can ask your companion to name their hero or role model. So these are all what icebreakers activities. One more meaning we can have that an icebreaker is a facilitation exercise intended to help members of a group begin the process of forming themselves into a team. So usually we are facing these problems at corporate area when new department initiation is going on. So suppose all the members are strangers to each other, how can we have the unity, and how can we convert them into a team? That they should forget that they are the individuals, but they must remember that they are the team. So for that creation, any corporate owner or PR department, and they are launching such a kind of icebreakers activities, any fun game or questionnaire or quiz, such a relaxation giving activity, so that these are called what icebreakers. So that what would happen, all the people or team members can feel that yes, I am relaxed, I can cope up with all these members as a team. So that is called icebreaker. Let me repeat that. An icebreaker is a facilitation exercise intended to help members of a group begin the process of forming themselves into a team. Icebreakers are commonly presented as a game to warm up the group by helping the members to get to know each other. So this is actually the meaning of icebreaker. What that mean? It is a sort of warm up. Before exercise we are also having some stretching and all. So these are what why we have to do that, so that our body can be flexible and it should be ready for the exercise, heavy exercise or light exercise. Suppose without warm up we started that, then definitely what would happen, that any stomach, any ache would be there, crack would be there, cramp would be there. So we should not want that in learning process. Let me correlate the word here icebreaker with our topic. Why icebreakers activities are important? These are the activities which are going to lead us towards the actual topic. We would be free to accept what is meant by being neighborly. We would be free to know that yes, what is in this topic. We would be ready to correlate these icebreakers activities and actual topic, is it? And for these all reasons we are having the word for the activities before topic icebreaker. Okay, I think you have got good understanding of icebreakers. You can also, suppose you will go for any kind of corporate area for your job sake, or for any picnic or something, and you wanted to decrease the level of tension and all, you can also have some icebreakers. So these are some few examples, I found that for you some more examples related icebreakers, which could be the good icebreakers activities. Here first one, hobby icebreaker questions, they had given the tagline for it. So here, what is your favorite hobby? You could ask. What is your favorite thing to do by yourself? What is your favorite sport or physical activity? That also you can ask. What crazy activities do you dream of trying someday? That could be also. What is your idea of fun? That could be also. What two things do you consider yourself to be a very good at? So these all could be considered as icebreakers activities, and tagline is here, these are the icebreakers related hobby knowing. You wanted to know the person's hobby, but you can't directly ask him, suppose you are strangers, so how can you start up the communication? By icebreakers. So I think I have given you these all examples nicely. I think you got good understanding of being neighborly the title as well as the concept of icebreakers. Means they let me tell you one thing, they are not going to ask you anything about icebreakers, what is mean by icebreakers, but you should understand no why the activities are offering had got the title icebreakers. You should know about it, and that's why I had given you clarification of what is actually the meaning of icebreakers, why in actually what is meant by that, and in what perspective we can use that at our daily life. So that I mention here. Now shall we go for the icebreakers of this topic? I can hear your yes sound. Yes, now go for that. Icebreakers. So what is the first activity is there under the label icebreakers? Read the following statements. Let me zoom that so that you could see clearly if you have any clarity problem. Yeah. So the first activity is here, read the following statements and mark those that apply to you. And these are very interesting icebreakers. I actually love that because they are exactly they are creating exactly the path towards the topic being neighborly. How do you when you will go actually after completion of icebreakers, you are having the curiosity that yes, I must read that topic, and once you will read that, no, then only you would understand yes, exactly the same picturization is there in that topic. Okay, or not only that, but in usual sense also we are having all these traits, we are having the characteristics mentioned here. How you can correlate one line with you, second line with you. Go for first, I make friends easily. I think this is the particular statement. The persons who are listening my video lecture, they started to think now, what kind of person I am. I make friends easily. Suppose there are 100 students who are listening, 20 will say that yes, I am like that. So you have to say that yes, this is applicable for me. Some will say yes for this statement, yes, I am very I'm fond of friendship and friends, and I do like to create the friendship, and yes, definitely I am of that kind, friendly nature and open ended or open minded nature. So some will say that yes, I make friends easily. So if it is applicable to you, you have to say yes for it. Secondly, I wish to be friends I wish to be friends with someone, but my friendship is rejected. Few 5% or 7% among you would say that I wanted to be friends with others or having friendship with others, but all the time, what that? Well, I am getting rejection from that friendship. When I tried with someone, one particular person I wanted to be friend with, but I had got rejection. So such a kind of, also if it is applicable to you that I am getting all the time rejection in the friendship, I wanted to be friendly and helpful to with the people, but I am getting rejection or rigid or rude behavior from them. If it is applicable for you, then say yes to it. Third one, someone has extended a hand of friendship towards me and I have accepted it. That would be some of others reaction. If you have such an experience, then you should say that yes, and that is applicable for me. Next to fourth one, I have a large group of friends but no best buddy. I have a large group of friends. Some are saying that yes, I am crowded by the people, but I am not having my best friend. So, best buddy in a sense, the best friend, I am not having that. Suppose you are having such a kind of experience, your response would be what? The fourth one, I have a large group of friends, but no best buddy. Fifth one is still there. I have a small group of close friends and have no wish to interact with anyone else. Some personalities are like that. They wanted to be with their limited circle and they are feeling hesitancy or facing the hesitancy to cope up with or to interact or communicate with new people. They are happy with their limited circle. Suppose you are having such a kind of nature or experience, you have to say a loud yes for fifth one. Or instead saying yes and all, suppose some people will say that more than one I wanted to have the response, or then definitely you should write that statement. That could be much better. Okay, so instead writing yes, you should just write whatever the number would be of that statement, and you should write the statement. So what is the manner of solving this homework or icebreaker? One, suppose you are going with one, then write one and write the statement, I make friends easily. Suppose your answer is something different, then write in the same number of that statement and the statement you have to write. Now the last one but not the least, sixth one is still there. I have cordial relationships with all. Cordial, what that means? Cooperative. Means I am not hating any person. I am helping them, I am with them, but I cannot connect with anyone. This is also a kind of nature or personality trait. What is that? Yes, I am helping all the people. I am not having hatred for any specific person. Whosoever come in my path, I would be the friend to him, but I cannot connect with anyone. Having connectivity, what that mean? Connectivity, those people who actually know the importance of friendship or meaning of friendship, they only could say that. Suppose any close friend of yours is there and you are not having, actually friendship doesn't mean the day to day talking or something like that. Time, distance, day to day talking or not, there is no affection on true friendship. Friendship is open mindedness of the relationship or both of the people, or that maybe many people would be there in that circle. Friendship means what? Having connectivity to heart, having connectivity with the that is the bond, and it is universal thread which can connect you with the universe. So many, and today we are actually, this is the tragedy of human era, uh, in which we are in modern era. And what is the basic tragedy of this era? That we are lacking actual or genuine friendship. We are only creating friendship for in very business minded. And yes, definitely some rare examples would be there which are very positive, but many times the response of today's human beings would be the last. What is that? Yes, I am having cordial, what that mean? Helping and helping nature, cooperative nature, or relationship with all, but I am not connected with a specific people. I'm lacking behind. Suppose I need to express myself, there would be no one. Is it? If I wanted to share anything, there would be no one. So that could be the response. If you have that, then only you have to write. Unnecessarily do not write anything. Okay, suppose you know that you are a kind of personality that yes, I one is applicable for me, then just write one. Be frank and be honest for answering. Okay, the homework is for yourself, so enjoy it. Don't do that as like duty, that I should send the photo of that icebreakers to madam, or parent will ask me whether you have you done or not. Don't do that for that self. If you wanted to enjoy the study, you can, and that's why the study is there. Okay, so what is applicable for you, that response you have to write only. In what manner you have to attempt this one, what is the number and statement you have to write. Okay, I think you understood this activity. We are going for this next activity. Here you have to complete the wave diagram. Okay, complete the following wave diagram. They have given you the heart of it. And what is the heart of that wave? Friendship to me means. So suppose we were in classroom, we can get the answer face to face. But as we are having virtual learning, I feel that you started to think on it. What could be your response? Okay, so let me read that first, and you be ready with your answer. And no doubt, I can't see you or you can't see me. You are at home. We are having virtual teaching learning process. Try to attempt or say that answer. Where are you? Actually, suppose you are sitting in the garden of your home, or in the bedroom, or in the living room. Say that loudly. What would be your response? Then only you can connect with this topic. Otherwise, suppose you are listening and living that topic, you can't get anything, because we have very less time, students. So be attentive. Don't feel that video lectures are there, so how can I? Don't. Suppose you started to feel that I am feeling actually that yes, you are in front of me, and we are delivering the message of that topic right now in the classroom. I actually having that feeling. Similarly, you should feel that yes, I am in the classroom, I am listening the lecturer, so obviously I should give the answer of that activity. Okay, so you can loudly give the answer of that. Doesn't matter where are you. Suppose you are on the road, obviously you can't shout, but I didn't say shouting. I say you can give the response to this activity. Okay, complete the following wave diagram, and the heart of it, friendship to me means. What is the meaning of friendship according to you? They have given you helping clues. The first, having long conversations. According to some students, they will say that having long conversations, according to me, that is the real friendship. Some will say that giving and receiving gifts. Some are happy go lucky people are there. They would say that having and receiving gifts from my friend, that is called friendship. Might be your response would be something different. According to me, friendship is the thing where you would find heart connectivity. There is no matter how long you are, how much distance is there, whether you are talking with each other or not. But simply speaking, here you should not write lengthy sentence. Okay, as it is the wave activity, you should not write sentences and sentences. Simply you have to say that according to me, uh, friendship would be the heart connectivity. Okay, that would be my response. You would give your own responses too. So there they have given 4 blanks, and each is for one half mark, so that this activity would be for 2 marks. I am telling you also the form or pattern, how would be the activities and what would be the marking system. So see that suppose in exam they would ask you such a wave, they would give you 4 fill in the blanks, and you each would be for half mark, so you have to complete that. So give your own response to that. What would be? According to me, friendship is heart connectivity. Some will say something different, so write your own answer or response over here. So you have to complete this activity by thinking and not going for digest. Let me tell you one thing clearly: do not purchase digest. It is just only the ready made material, and when you are having ready made material, you are going away from your own brain and heart. So don't lose your brain and heart. These are very important, more than that digest. Digest is the mere thing, and our brain and heart, believe on them, and definitely they would be the best friends of you. So by that way you would you understand that what would be the next response you could give here after connectivity, heart connectivity: cordial bond. Cordial bond, what that means? You are cooperative towards that person. Understanding, third would be what? Having understanding. So in that manner you have to attempt this activity. So this is the second activity from the same, and what's that? It is also very interesting. If you see someone lonely or sad, you will. So what a nice activity it is it? Suppose you feel that the next person in front of you, your friend or your relative, your parent, whosoever, is being lonely or feeling sad. So what would you do in such a kind of situation? So they have given you three empties, so you have to complete all these empties. Okay, instead saying fill in, I curtail down to empties. Okay, so empty places, instead I call it empties. So what would be your reaction, what would be your help to such a kind of sad or lonely person? What would be the first reaction of yours? First, suppose he or she is the close friend of you. First of all, you have to soothe them, make them calm down. Don't ask them started to do not start to ask them what happened. Because of that, the next person started again to cry. So there is no happening of that, and there is no usage of the crying only, is it? So better let that person be calm and soothe, and then ask that person that whether what happened, are you comfortable, and if you wanted to share that, then only share with me. Okay, don't force them that yes you have to tell me, we are the best friends. Don't do that. First of all, calming that person or soothing that person. Secondly, not forcing that person to share. Instead asking them, be flexible for that. Instead that you can say that if you wanted to share, that you can share with me. If you are not comfortable this time, later you can share with me. Or third option would be that if you are not comfortable with me in the sharing, definitely you can share with someone else, is it? That would be the probable responses of yours. Instead, all amongst, if you feel that something different from this, you can complete these three in that perspective. It is not compulsion on you, students, that all the time you have to write the same responses. Suppose personal response, it is question activity. Suppose personal response means what? You have to write your own opinion. That does not mean you should follow my ready made way. You can write your own expression. Instead that you could say that, suppose at your heart feel that no, definitely I will help that person, and I will tell that person that yes, you should talk to your parents. That also could be the response for this activity. So be free to attempt these activities. Okay, from first to this one, be free to attempt these answers in your own by asking your own brain and heart, and in your own way. Do not just only copy and paste of mine. Why I am giving you the answers? To direct you that yes, that could be the answer, but you write something different from that, which is probable enough for that situation. You can write. Okay, I think you got good understanding of this activity also. So I am coming with in the next lecture introduction of author. So students, in the next lecture we are going to see introduction of author, that part. So be ready for that, and till that moment I should take your leave. Students, stay home, stay safe. And one more addition I have to do from today, that and now we have actually started the topic, so there is homework ready for you. And what's that homework that you have to complete? Yes, you have to write, or you have to complete icebreakers activities of 1.1 in your notebook and send me the photo of that particular completion. You have to complete, I repeat, icebreakers activities in your notebook. See, first of all I told you what you have to complete activity sheet pattern. You have to compulsory write the activity sheet format in your notebook. Later on that you should write the homework of 1.1 being neighborly, and the very opening homework of 1.1 being neighborly is icebreakers. Okay, so finally I should say bye to you students. We will meet in the next lecture.